Kuonde tiegruok mag TVETs osebedo ka yudo midhiero mogundho ma en kaluwore koda ripod duol mochung'ne kuonde tiegruok ma pacho ka mano TVET Authority. Ripod duolno yango ni giseyudo midhiero kaka nok mar gige tiegruok, jopuonj ma ok otieg maber kod nok mar ute tiegruok. E romo manobage ka tiegruok ma Meru, duolno oyango ni kuonde tiegruok mitayo kod sirkal kaunti yudo midhiero mogundho kipimo kod mago mag sirkal mamalo. Duolno bende kwayo board mondo ochak tiego jopuonjre e kuonde tiegruok mag ji giwegi.
Under the county government, they have challenges. For example, they don't have a scheme of service for the trainers. They are using a very old scheme of service for the trainers. That has been a very big challenge because a retainer of staffing at that level has been quite a challenge. There is a big turnover of staff. They recruit today, tomorrow they move because there is no good career progression plan at that level.
We emphasize that we have several cadres of TVET here. We have national polytechnics, we have vocational training colleges, we have technical training colleges, and then we have TVET institutions within the universities. And all of us, we are collaborating together, and the aim is one, to bring these people into the training environment.
A number of findings that they have already given us, but I'm taking home a few of them. First of all, they have talked about the issue of the trainers, especially in vocation training centers in the developed function in the county government, who are so limited in terms of number and capacity. And we think that's a very important finding. We need to retool them so that they can come to the level as those ones that are in the national government.